On this auspicious and magnetic day of Buddha Purnima, I, Sahil Kumar Nagpal, life coach, author and researcher, is bringing you 12 lesser known facts on Buddhism. Buddhism is the fourth largest practiced religion in the world, but it was founded in India and comes into the category of Nastik Sampradaya, which means they do not believe in Ved or they don't consider Ved as authority. But surprisingly, all the Vedic Devis and Devtas like Brahma, Indra and Varun are found in mostly all the Buddhist scriptures. There are three major schools of Buddhism practiced in the world. They are Theravada, Mahayana and Vajrayana. Theravada is mostly popular in Sri Lanka, Cambodia, Laos and Myanmar. Theravada literally means the doctrines of the elders. It is the oldest Buddhist school and has preserved all the teachings of Buddha in the form of scriptures in Pali language. Mahayana is mostly practiced in China, Taiwan, Korea, Japan, Bhutan. Mahayana literally means the great vehicle. They believe that any one of us can become a bodhisattva by raising our consciousness. Vajrayana is mostly practiced in Tibet and other regions of Himalayas. Vajrayana is also known as Mantrayana and Tantrayana. Vajrayana literally means the vehicle of the thunderbolt. Tantra has great influence on Vajrayana Buddhism, and it is believed the teachings of Vajrayana Buddhism was taught by Buddha himself, but only to certain people like Vajragarbha, Shvetachal, Vishnuvajri and Raktachal. Vajrayana Buddhism acknowledges the existence of Trideva. In He Vajratantram, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh are addressed as Vairochan, Akshobhya and Amokh. In many schools of Vajrayana Buddhism, certain extreme tantric rituals are practiced, like consumption of alcohol and meat and indulging into sexual activities. This might look ghastly to some of us, but just like the mainstream Buddhism, the purpose of all the practices in these schools is also just one: awaken the Buddha within. It is just that their approach is different. During the reign of Buddha and couple of centuries after his death, Buddhism spread all over the India, but it mainly flourished in the empire of Magad. Magad, which is present-day Bihar, some parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bengal and Jharkhand. Their political influence grew so strong that the contemporary ruling structure formed by the Vedic Brahmins was at serious threat. Real name of Gautam Buddha is Siddhartha Gautama, but he is known by many more names. The three most famous names are Shakyamuni, Tathagat and Bhagwan. Shakyamuni means Rishi of the Shakya clan. Tathagat literally means one who has achieved Paramgati, means optimum speed. Bhagwan means the blessed one. Buddhism is famous for non-violence, and Buddha himself gave special emphasis on ahimsa. But Buddha was born into a Kshatriya family, and according to Lalita Vistar, he was an expert in the art of battlefield. Before leaving his house, Gautam Buddha lived an extremely luxurious and spoiled life. After leaving his house, Buddha did practices so intense that his bones were visible through his skin. Later he realized that these extremes are not going to work, and he chose the middle path, which is considered by many as the path of meditation. It is believed that Jain Buddhism or Zen Buddhism, which is famous in China and Japan, was spread by a South Indian named Bodhidharma. This Bodhidharma is known by Dauma in China and Daruma in Japan, and he is also considered as the founder of Shaolin Kung Fu and traditional karate. Tibetan Buddhists are the only culture in the entire world who have developed this extraordinary vocal capability by activating their second vocal cords. By developing this ability, when they chant, they are able to amplify their tone. This method is famously known as overtone singing. Buddha Purnima, which comes on the full moon of Vaishak month, is considered by many as Buddha's birthday. But some other people believe that Buddha got enlightened on that day. However, in Japan, Buddha's birthday is celebrated on 8th April. The last fact is extremely controversial. In India, some people believe that Buddha is one of the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. However, some Buddhists are totally against this belief. I hope you find the video knowledgeable and entertaining. And if you did, do share it with your friends. Give me your genuine feedback down in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Until then, namaste and take care.